In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for video marketing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan, script, optimize, and repurpose videos with less effort and better results. Let's start with planning your video content strategy. Open ChatGPT and use it as your brainstorming partner. Ask for a list of topics tailored to your niche and audience, and be specific about who you're trying to reach and what business goals you have, like awareness, leads, or sales. You can say, generate 20 YouTube video ideas for a digital marketing channel targeting small business owners. Once you like the direction, have ChatGPT map those ideas into a content calendar with posting frequency, suggested published dates, and themes. You can also request a publishing schedule that matches your workflow. To stay current, ask it to research trending topics in your niche and to explain why each topic matters to your audience. This helps you prioritize high-impact ideas and keep your strategy organized. Next, create video scripts and hooks. Ask ChatGPT to write complete scripts, including a strong opening that grabs attention, a clear structure for the main content, and a conclusion that reinforces value. Don't forget to include a call to action, whether it's subscribing, downloading a resource, or visiting your site. Write a 5-minute YouTube script about email marketing with a strong hook and call to action. If the first draft isn't in your voice, ask for rewrites with a specific tone, length, or audience level. You can also request multiple hook options to test which one keeps viewers watching longer. Now optimize titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. Ask for SEO-friendly titles that include primary keywords without sounding robotic. Then generate compelling descriptions with keyword variations, timestamps, and a clear value proposition. Get thumbnail text and design concepts that are short, bold, and readable on mobile. For variation testing, say, create 10 YouTube titles and thumbnail text ideas for a video about AI marketing tools. Use these options to improve your click-through rate and make quick, data-driven tweaks. Finally, repurpose and scale your content. Turn one video into a blog post, an email newsletter, and multiple social media posts. Have ChatGPT identify short-form clip ideas for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and write captions and promotional copy that fit each platform's style. For example, convert this YouTube video script into 5 TikTok video ideas and 10 social media posts. Always review and personalize the outputs, add examples from your experience, and keep iterating for the best results.